Hello, First Choice Restoration team. I called in earlier today and I spoke with Sebastian and I told him that I was going to be sending you guys the screencast. So here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site a little bit, one of your top competitors' sites a little bit, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start getting more traffic to your site. So I will often send this out, and when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that it would be a good idea for us to team up. So if one of you watches this and feels the same, please do not hesitate to reach out. So let's get into it. I am on your home page right now. First of all, I just kind of want to show you. If I refresh the page right here, it takes a while for it to load. So we would definitely want to fix that situation. The average attention span of people nowadays is very low. So usually if your page does not load within 3 seconds, people are just going to exit out of it. So we definitely want this to load because as you can see, it's taking a while, and I did check my internet speed. It's working very well, and none of the other sites I'm on right now are being this slow. So here we are finally. So the site, once you get to it, actually does look nice. And so with Google, you want to have 1,000 to 1,500 words on your home page. Google is going to rank you based off of around 200 different factors, but content is one of those key factors. I actually did a word count search on you guys, and you have 923 words, so you're not too far off from the 1,000 to 1,500 mark. We would just want to add a little bit more content and make sure that it's educational and Google's users can easily come on here and find the information or the services that they need. And then we want to add the right relevant high traffic keywords to this so that you guys can get ranked for the right things. So here I am on Google, and the keyword that I will be using is mold remediation Philadelphia. This is a good keyword. It gets around 350 searches per month. So even if you just snag a few of those customers just off this one keyword alone, you'll be doing pretty well. And so right here we have our top 3 Google Map Pack, and above that there would usually be Google Ads here. So there are no Google Ads for this keyword phrase, but Google Ads are a good way to get your name out there and get some brand recognition while you are waiting for your SEO to work. If you do not know what you are doing, though, you can waste a lot of money, and long term, these aren't going to be the best return on investment for you guys. But back to the map pack. So you want to be on these top 3 spots right here. And how you're going to do that is through high-powered citations. And so citations are just when your business is listed on different directories along the web. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext. These are all good examples of directories that you would want to be on, and you want to be on more of them than these guys are. Down here, we have our organic search results. You really, really, really want to be on these organic search results. Google has come out and said that over 70% of people, when they click something, they are going to end up clicking on this when they search something. So you definitely want to be up here, and you want to be towards the top of the page. This guy is actually going to be the first company website to be on this page for this keyword. We can go through. You can see he has a lot of good content, good keywords that are interlinked. And so I did a word count search of him as well. He has a little over 1,200 keywords on here. And so he is doing well content-wise. And as you can see, his site didn't take a really long time to load. But the main way that you are going to get ranked are through backlinks. And so backlinks are just a shout out from another website. The web is basically made up of websites linking websites, businesses linking businesses. So you want local high-powered websites linking back to your site. So think a trusted and reputable construction company or plumbing company, that would be a really good source for a backlink for you guys. So over here, I've searched up the person we were just looking at on Ahrefs. If you guys ever try to do this on your own, I highly suggest that you use this. Ahrefs is around $400 a month, but it gives you a lot of good information. And so these people are ranking for around 500 different keywords. Here we can take a closer look. On the left are all the list of all the keywords. Right here we can see how many people are searching for this keyword a month, how much traffic they get for that keyword, and what position they hold for that keyword on Google. And so we can go through here and find which keywords have the most volume, bring in the most traffic, and will be the easiest to get for you guys. And so here you are over here, and you guys have 50 keywords that you're ranking for right now. And so you are going for some good keywords, but you're still not on the front page yet. So we definitely want to get you ranked for some of these keywords that you're going for and a few others. And how we are going to do that is backlinks. So this is Majestic. This is a good site for backlinks because it kind of cancels out a lot of the noise. But so here's the other guy. Here you can see most of these backlinks are not good because the trust and the citation flow are very low. So they're basically all zeros. There's only like one really good one here. And if we go to yours, you guys have pretty low ones. So you want the trust flow and the citation flow to be as close as possible. So you want like a ratio of 1. Here you can see that the closest to that would be a 3 and a 5, but a 3 and a 5 are pretty low numbers. So that's why this person is outranking you, in addition to your site being a little too slow loading up. So that's what I have for you today. To kind of review what we went over is number 1, content. We want good educational content with more relevant keywords that bring in a lot of traffic. Number 2 is more citations to get you on the map pack. Number 3 are get more high-powered backlinks that are relevant to your business. And then for you guys in particular, we definitely want to figure out a way to make your page load up faster. So that's what I have for you today. Hopefully you got something out of this video, whether or not we end up working together. However, if you do want to learn more or possibly talk about teaming up, please email me back, or you can call me at 714-975-5909. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.